Oh, hello. How are you?
Let me talk to her. All these niggas wanna fuck JT. Hellcat, this a SRT. Pull up, wax these three. Make a freak by suck they teeth. He wanna menage with a new body. Man, you niggas can't fuck with me, cause I came from the bottom, from the pit.
Hello guys, it's your favorite sister, Essy Estaa, and today I'm here to entertain ya and inform you how I take my pictures by myself with nobody. You know why? Because I'm an independent black woman, okay? I don't need nobody. I could do it myself. Alright? So I know I look crazy, but this is part of the process, and you know, if I gotta be transparent with y'all, I'm gonna let y'all know how I do it. So if you happen to be new to my channel today, hello sis, it's your new favorite sister. And you know, the only way to be a loyal sister to me, because we only know loyalty on this side, so the only way to be loyal to me is if you subscribe to my channel. But no pressure, no pressure. A lot of people always ask me like, oh, who takes your pictures and how do you take them? And don't worry sis, because today I got you. Now don't mind that little curl back there. Sis is just, she's trying to be free, okay? Don't worry about her. Let's worry about how we're gonna take these pictures today. I feel like getting cute and taking some pictures today. So I'm like, you know what, why not make this, why not kill two birds with one stone, you know? Get some pictures and also produce content for my sisters. Why not? And have y'all noticed the new camera quality? Like, baby, oof, stop playing. Don't look too close. Anyways, so today I'm just going to show you some of my tips on what I do before I take my pictures, and then I'm also going to show you guys what I do as I'm taking my pictures. So you might want to get your little notebook or your notes in your phone, and let's get right into this, okay? Y'all, my head right now, I can't, like, my head circulation right now is on 0 because of this elastic band, but these pictures better be finesse. Anyways, how do Essy Estaa take her pictures? Number 1, before I take my pictures, I like to have some type of concept, you know, whether it's, I don't know, my concepts be random, like, you know, but you know, you wanna have your outfit, how you're gonna have your hair and makeup, where you're gonna take your pictures, the weather for the day and whatnot, the type of look I'm trying to go for, okay? Whether it's sexy or tomboy or girly girl or chill, it depends on your vibe. And then you get your outfit and everything else after that. And also just keep in mind that this video will be a part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is the steps and tips on how I take my pictures with the actual visuals, and part 2 will be how I edit them, okay? I'm coming through, I'm coming. Well, the second thing I like to do before I take my pictures is the location. And when I mean location, I'm talking about, are you taking your pictures outside? If you're taking your pictures outside, where are you taking it? Does it look good with your outfit that you're wearing? Does it fit your vibe? Does it fit your concept? And also when it comes to taking pictures outside, how's the weather? You know, if it's a sunny day, it's good for great natural lighting. And always remember that if you're taking the pictures and it's sunny outside, always stand in front of the sun. Like, let the sun be facing you. Let the sun shine on you. Do not have your back to the sun, because it's just gonna block lighting. It's not gonna be clear. It's not cute. Don't do that. Whether you're taking your pictures outside or inside, always make sure that you have a clean background. Like, you don't want nothing messy in the background. You don't want to see nothing messy, garbage on the floor. You got somebody bra hanging up somewhere. We don't want to see that. We don't want to see that at all. So always make sure that whatever background, you know, like, you don't want people in the background. Like, nobody wants no photo bombers in the pictures. Okay, so always make sure like you have a plain background, you know, or something aesthetically pleasing to the eye, or something aesthetically pleasing to your outfit that complements your outfit. I know a lot of people like to use like plain backgrounds, or sometimes you will see people, they use plants in the background. So yeah, so that's that's a good suggestion for, like, you know, your backgrounds and how your pictures look. Okay, the next tip I want to talk about is lighting. Always make sure that you have good lighting. The best lighting is usually natural lighting, which is like sunlight. I'm sorry if I'm looking up or if I'm looking directly at you. It's gonna take me a while to get used to again. But with lighting, the best lighting is sunlight from outside. But if you can't get that, always make sure that, you know, you have good lighting in your house, or invest in a ring light. Now a ring light that I use is from Amazon, so I will leave that in the description box. So you always want to make sure that you use lighting. Good lighting is the key to good pictures. When you take pictures outside, make sure, like I said before, stand in front of the sun. Let the sun be facing you. Let the sun shine on you, so that, you know, get a little sun kiss. Okay, now let's talk about props and equipment. Invest in a ring light for good lighting. Also, if you take pictures on your phone, make sure your ring light gives you the ability to screw your phone in vertically like this. Let your get a ring light that gives you the ability to hold your phone vertically, because for me, for example, the ring light that I'm using, I couldn't really like, I'm able to position my phone vertically, but at the same time the positioning is really weird, especially because my phone is big. It doesn't really stand straight, so I had to invest in a tripod. Now I will also leave the description box for the tripod that I just recently bought off of Amazon if you guys want to get that. But one of the benefits of using a tripod is just easier. You know, you just hook your phone and it gets the angle perfectly, and then you can also use your flash and whatnot if you don't want to use a ring light. If you can't afford a ring light, just get a tripod and you can use the flash of your phone for lighting. And most tripods come with a Bluetooth clicker. Let me bring mine. Most tripods come with a clicker like this. So the clicker, what it does is that you connect it to your phone via Bluetooth, and then once you set it and hook it to your phone, once you're ready to take pictures, you just click the button and it takes the button, it clicks the picture. It takes the picture for you on your phone. Okay, but the only thing with clickers is you just gotta know how to successfully hide it as you're taking pictures. So some people, you may not want to do that. You can just set up a you can just put a timer on your phone and let it do the job. Some people like clickers because it takes more than having to wait 3 seconds for each picture. The last thing that I like to do when I'm taking my pictures is I like to do a test run. So after I've done all these steps that I just told you guys, I do a test run. So after everything's set up, I like to take a picture and then go back and check my phone to see how it's looking. And I do this because you may set everything up, you may think it looks good, and if you're taking a picture and you just keep going and you don't stop to see how it looks, you may waste 5-10 minutes just taking pictures, and the lighting could be off, the picture doesn't look good, the angle is not how you want it to be. So, you know, just keep in mind, just every 5 pictures or so, every 2-3 pictures, always make sure you go back and check to see how the lighting and everything is looking, if it's looking to how you want it to look. So now that I told you guys all my tips on how I take my pictures, I'm gonna get cute. I mean, because I'm already cute, but I'm about to get cuter, and y'all gonna see me how I take my pictures. And I'm gonna do a part 2 of this video on how I edit them. And yeah, so in case you were wondering the concept, I don't know, I'm trying to give like bougie, rich, sexy, something like that. I got like satin gloves. I got a satin cowl neck dress. Like, ooh, baby. Stay tuned. Okay, we're ready to go. So I did a little bit of shooting over here. Now I'm gonna switch positions, but I'm not really talking, so it might look boring. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and you already know the big S. Subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
All these niggas wanna fuck JT. Hellcat, this a SRT. Pull up, wax these three. Make a feed by suck they teeth. He want a menage with a new body. Man, you niggas can't fuck with me, cause I came from the bottom, from the